we will understand the reason with the 5. The first example is this. The present participle touring applied in a progressive tense. In this class, I am touring this city. This clause can be replaced two clauses. The first clause is this. I started touring this city. The second clause is this. I continue touring this city. The speaker who states this clause with the present participle touring as an adverb intends that the speaker action indicated by the transitive verb tour. So what is the definition of the speaker specifies a point in time For example, the speaker sets the point of the present as an hour. So an hour ago, the present started. Consistent with the perspective of the speaker who states this clause, I am touring this city. The speaker emphasizes that the action tour until the present when the speaker states the clause. The speaker emphasizes the continuous action. Two clauses separate the starting point of the present. In this clause, the transitive verb continue reveals that the action indicated by the transitive verb tour indicative word touring. The gerund touring is applied as an object as a constituent to indicate an action indicated by the transitive verb tour in the two clauses. The form of a verb and a suffix ing indicates an experience, a condition, or an action that lasts for a period. According to the of the word, as an adverb or a gerund as an indication. The speaker conveys the intention that the speaker wants to convey with the clause I am touring this city, that the present participle touring is applied, or the clauses that the transitive verbs continue and start and continue are applied. So the intention of the speaker is conveyed the two clauses without the adverb touring. The second example is this. The past participle toured applied in the perfect tense in our clause. I have toured this city. The speaker, as the subject, reveals the experience of the speaker. The experience of the speakers started in the past. So, the starting point of the experience can be as I toured this city. The completion of the experience revealed by the tense of the intransitive verb have is revealed in this clause, I toured this city. The experience of the speaker started from the point in the past to the present when the speaker declares the completion of the experience can be separated into two clauses. The first clause is stated in the past tense. The second clause is stated in the present tense. This clause can be replaced into the two clauses. The speaker applies the perfect tense to reveal the experience that the subject actualized or actualizes. More than once from a point in the past to the present. The two clauses about the 2 points in the past and the present describe the same subject with the transitive verb tour. The same subject is the speaker, with the transitive verb tour to indicate the action of the subject. So the speaker applies a clause that is stated in the perfect tense with the past participle toward, or the two clauses that the speaker states at each point in time to reveal the experience of the subject during a period. The to-infinitive to reveal the purpose of the action indicated by the transitive verb eat is applied in this clause. I eat foods less than the usual to lose weight. This clause is separated into the two clauses without the phrase of the adverb I eat foods less than the usual because I intend to lose some weight. The two clauses are linked by the conjunctive adverb because. The speaker applies the conjunctive adverb because to reveal the reason why the speaker actualizes the action indicated by the transitive verb it, specified by the adverb less. The definition of the transitive verb it is already specified by the adverb less. In the subordinate clause linked to the main clause by the conjunctive adverb because, the to-infinitive to lose with the trait as a noun practices the role of an object to get the definition of the transitive verb intend from the subject. The to-infinitive to lose is applied as an indication in the subordinate clause linked by the conjunctive adverb because.